Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best individual cake pans with lids on the market. The LNYZQUS 10 ounces mini cake pans with lids, available in a convenient 40-pack. If you love baking single-serving desserts or want an easy way to serve brownies, cupcakes, or mini cheesecakes, this product could be a perfect fit for you. These mini cake pans are crafted from thickened, food-grade aluminum foil, giving them excellent thermal conductivity. This means your treats bake faster and more evenly compared to traditional baking cups or pans. Each pan holds about 10 ounces, roughly 300 milliliters, making it ideal for individual portions of brownies, cakes, flans, breads, or even crème brûlée. Their square shape measures 4.4 by 4.4 inches with a height of 1.6 inches, providing ample space without being bulky. What sets these pans apart is their thoughtful two-in-one design. Not only do they function as baking cups, but they also come with transparent plastic lids that snap on securely. This makes storing and transporting your baked goods hassle-free, keeping them fresh whether you're refrigerating leftovers or packing them for a party or picnic. However, it's important to note that while the aluminum pans are oven, air fryer, and grill safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, the clear lids are not heat resistant, so always remove the lids before baking. The package also includes 50 individually wrapped disposable spoons, adding an extra layer of convenience for serving at events or when on the go. Whether you're hosting a birthday party, wedding, or just want easy cleanup after a holiday celebration, these pans and lids simplify serving and cleanup. Versatility is another big advantage. Besides baking, the pans can be used for charcoal grilling or making caramel pudding and cheese dishes right on the grill or in an air fryer. Their sturdy aluminum build resists deformation, so they maintain their shape even under heat and handling. Each set includes 40 pans with lids and 50 spoons, providing great value for anyone who frequently bakes or caters small portions. The pink color adds a fun and festive touch, perfect for special occasions or just brightening up your kitchen. The pans are disposable, which means no washing and easy cleanup, especially useful for large gatherings or outdoor events. While they're designed primarily for one-time use, their sturdy construction means you can reuse them carefully if needed. To sum it up, the LNYZQUS 10 ounces mini cake pans with lids offer a convenient, versatile, and stylish way to bake, store, and serve individual desserts and snacks. Their excellent heat conduction, secure lids, included spoons, and large capacity make them an excellent choice for home bakers, caterers, and party hosts alike. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you bake often or love hosting, these mini cake pans could be a game changer for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.